Guess what I found? I found the Flutter Slime Gordo. Am I lost? Yes, completely. Do I have what it needs? No, absolutely not. However, it should show up on the map now whenever I come back, and I wanted to, I was just doing a little bit of looking around, and I came across this and said, you know what, I'm going to stream real quick so that you can see it. I just shot something, didn't I? So the the fun thing is, I was looking for the other Gordo, which I found, but I didn't have the hens. Now I have the hens, but I don't have the other Gordo, and I came across this one. Guess what this one wants? Nectar. What the heck? Where am I supposed to find nectar? And it won't, nothing else. It doesn't want meat. It doesn't want fruit, veggies, nothing. I don't know where the heck I'm supposed to find nectar. What is that? What is that pink thing over there? Watch, that's probably nectar. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted, I did. Oh wait, moondew nectar. Ask and you shall receive, I guess. Alright, let's get rid of that. Let's get that and see. That must be it, right? Yes, that was it. Okay, but there was one. It's probably going to take 30 or 40. So, gee, I don't think... I didn't think this is going to be easy. Gold plort? Okay, now I gotta make some decisions, because I also found a gate, and I was going to use that rock slime, but you know, or the rock plort. Nope, I'm getting rid of that. So what else do we got? I got a gold plort. I cannot lose that, because those are pretty valuable. Alright, dude. If you take like 40 of them, it's going to take me a year to fill you up. And by the time I come back with more, you'll... I don't know if it's like... Yeah, it should be. It should all... Oh, look. Radiant ore. Well, you know what? I'm going to ignore that. I don't even know where to... What is this? Is this my way to another world? Can I go in here? What the heck? What is this? It let me in here, but this is like a secret. I don't know what this is. Jenny will have to come tell me. I don't know where I'm at, but it's like another dimension or something. What a trip. But it didn't transport me anywhere, but it's like... I have no idea. That is a trip. Jen, if you're listening, come in here for a sec, because I found something and I don't know what it is. I do need to find some more... Oh. You're tough. There we go. Nothing helpful. I need nectar. Oh, God. I found one, for goodness sake. So apparently these are going to be tricky to find and not real available. Okay, well, I don't know where Jen's at. She's probably not available, so I gotta figure this out. I want to fly over to this tree and find out what that is. It might be absolutely nothing.
Yes.
Ah, here she is. Okay, so I found the Flutter Gordo, and behind it is this crazy world. I mean, not a world, but you can go in, but you don't get transported anywhere. I just wondered if you knew what on earth this was.
No idea. It's possible it's kind of like the Ringtail Gordo, where when you explode it, you can...
Oh,
you
like
can
you
turn
get...
into a teleporter.
Oh, okay. So maybe it opens... Yeah.
That's my guess.
So yeah, so it's like a doorway maybe.
Just not
But
open until
this
you
thing
destroy
only
it.
wants nectar, and there was one.
You can only get it at night.
You can only get nectar at night?
Yeah.
So I got lucky that one was just sitting there next, kind of right over here?
Yep.
Oh my
And
gosh.
you can wait till night and then look around some more.
Okay, well that's good to know. She said you can only get the the dew nectar. What was it called? Moon dew?
Moondew nectar.
Okay, well that's interesting. I have no idea what quote unquote time. Oh, 5:40,
It's
17:43.
It's almost night.
I guess I could. Do they appear in trees?
Apparently it's like, it'll look like a blue flower sort of thing.
Oh, then let me hold on. Don't go anywhere. There was a. Where are you? That.
Yeah, maybe.
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 I gotta go all the way over there, and I was thinking, well, do I want to? But yes, if it looks like a blue flower thing, then I think I need to at least investigate. But I don't know how I'm supposed to get it.
Down from it.
Oh.
Like they should like bloom and then fall out.
Okay. And then there's one over there too, so I don't see anything below it.
Well, it's not quite nighttime yet, so maybe.
Well, the phosphors are out, so it's definitely close to nighttime. It's kind of tricky to get up here, but I don't think I have a choice. Hello. What are you, phosphor rock largo? He's cute. Okay. So yeah, so these probably are the honeydew nectar things, and she said they only come out at night, which is like pretty much very soon. And they're gonna drop below the tree. So me landing on top of this tree probably does nothing. But ooh, look at all. Those are all honeys, right? Do we have flutters yet? I haven't seen a flutter slime yet. Well, I can't get it from this angle. So if this is the right place, and she said it's got to drop to the ground, then I got no choice but.
I'm pretty sure that's the right flower yet, but you should be under it, not on top of it.
Yeah, I know. I flew across just because I could. I just want to see what else is. This is an interesting view. Well, there seems to be kind of a lot of them. These trees. So let's see. Can I get up there? Okay, that's a yes. Is there anything up here I can... that's helpful? I don't see anything. Pretty good view, but that looks cool, huh? With all the lights. Yeah, so she's probably right. When you blow up, once you overfeed that Gordo, and I'm guessing, you know, it doesn't really look like a male. But anyway, when it blows up, it probably all that rainbow sort of, a lot of tars down there. That rainbow thing probably is like a portal to the next part of the map or something. Let me see if I can get all the way over here. I think this was a horrible idea. Oh, I made it. Barely, but I made it. Okay. Don't need Q-berries. These guys are... See? Is that... Oh! Flutter slimes! I'm so excited I caught one! There's the honey thing, right? Okay, so I need to give up... I guess I'm throwing chickens, because... I can get chickens anywhere, but I can only get these... moon dew nectar things for a limited time. These are plorts. Okay. Yeah, sorry guys. I know. You're like way far away from home. However, I got stuff I need to do, and you're in the way, sort of. Alright. Got another map piece. Nice. Opened up a little bit more of that. Let's see. Come on, nectar. Okay. Shoot. It's gonna take me a long time to blow up that Gordo because the nectar is just not around. Or I am just... Oh, hello. Okay, we're out of here. Are you a flutter slime? Oh, I just ran from you. Where'd you come from? What a little punk. Okay. So those look like honey slimes. Then we have our Flutter Gordo over there. I got one Flutter slime. I'm very excited about that. So I got to make it home safely with him. I wanted to get a couple of them. But you don't always get what you want, so. Tar's over there. Oh boy. Okay, what else can I get? What else can I get? I'm trying to look around and see if I can find any more of those little moondew nectar things. I also don't know if I can make it all the way over there. But I'm going to try. There goes nothing. You know what? Let's just kind of take it in little jumps like this. Because I could already tell that was about to end. Okay. This is really cool looking. And which one is this? This is Starlight Strand. Oh, wait. What is that? What is this? Is this just... I guess it's just part of the map. I thought it was something else. Okay, oh! No! Come back! Come back! Come back! I'm chasing it all the way over here. Come back. Okay. Any more? And make sure I don't fall off the edge, because I am known for doing that. Once I have important stuff in my possession, then all of a sudden I go off the edge and go home with absolutely nothing. Anything? Nothing? Oof. Wow, this is really going to take a long time. And I don't mind that, but as long as I feel like I'm going the right direction at least. Are there more? No, I was just seeing if there's anything hidden back here. That's a horrible noise, but it's not doing any damage to me. Ugh. Okay. Nothing. These are all just decorations. Is that wild? Oh, that's wild honey. Ah, decisions. I need wild honey as well. I didn't have enough, but I'm not giving anything up. I guess I can give up 40 chickens, but good grief. Alright. Where is the moondew nectar? Where is the moondew nectar? It's like, those are the trees. The moondew nectar should be right below it. And there's several of these trees. But no... Unless I'm missing it. Let's just keep looking. Still looking. Oh, I missed. Okay, well, that's alright. I didn't die, so... I'm gonna walk around down here, I guess. There's one. Okay, so that's two. It's gonna take forever. I found two. That looks like the flower, but how on earth am I gonna get up there? Let's see. What else can I do while I'm over here? Just look around, nothing. Okay. Alright, let's see. Go back. Yeah, I can't get up there. I hear the radiant ore, but I don't need it, and I have nowhere to put it anyway. Oh, okay, that's not gonna happen. I don't know why I even tried that. Let's see. What else? What else? What else? Whee! Okay. I'm closer to that, but I still don't think I can get up there. No. Nothing up here. Is that... What is that? Is that a plort? Or... I can get pretty close to that thing. Ooh. Well. Okay. I do not need to... Oh. Hi. Well, nothing happened though. So I'm next to it, but... It doesn't matter. I didn't think I'd get all the way up here though. So hey. Okay. I definitely don't want to go over because I think the water's down there. I could go across and then come back through there. I could do that. Let's do that. Alright. Anything over here? Definitely haven't been in... Is that radiant ore? Yeah, that's cool. It's got the purple glow. Again, not going to deal with that right now. Oh, that was a different noise. What was that? Is this really bad if I fall down here? I can't tell. And I don't want to...
Josh just wants fettuccine Alfredo.
Hey, Jen,
Yes.
do you know what this is? I don't want to walk off the edge and find out I just killed myself when I've got
I wouldn't walk off that because I don't know what's down there.
Yeah, I have a gold plort. Hey! Come here!
Better mix them with something
And flutters! Why?
because they only eat moondew nectar and you can't plant those.
Oh, that's right, you said that. So I'm gonna do 3. What is this? What was that?
It's just a piece of glue.
Oh, just slime. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what that is, so let's see.
What do you want from Olive Garden?
What do I want from Olive Garden? I haven't had that. Let me get the tour of Italy.
Okay.
Come on, I only have 2 Moondew Nectars. I cannot explode a Gordo. I know, first world problems, but come on!
The game did say that it's really hard to find, and that's why that Gordo takes a while.
I guess.
But it should take only 25 to destroy it.
Oh, okay, well that's good. So far it has 1, and I have 2 in my possession.
So that'll be...
It's gonna take a
Good
long
start.
time. Yeah, I just want to get home with my gold plort and my flutter slimes. I am pretty far away. I wonder if I have another transporter with me. Okay, first let me get my bearings. I want to get close to the flutter slime. I mean the Gordo. I am turned around, so let me think. Is it over there? Or maybe it's up there. Get up here. Oh. Oh! There's the ringtail. What does he want? Oh, he'll eat anything. I got 40 chickens. I gotta wait for the, I gotta wait for all these tars to go away so I can go over there, but I should be able to explode that one. And then, what the heck, I'll grab a couple ringtails and head home. I already have ringtails, but... I was gonna go back to the Flutter Gordo. Where am I? Oh, that's to the left. The Ringtail Gordo's right there, but there's tars sitting right there. I need them to explode and go away. Explode and go away now. It's not exploding and going away. Oh, no! Come back. I did not mean to do that. Don't you touch it. I don't care. Go away. Mine. No! This is what happens. This is what happens. Now I'm mad. Where's that stupid... It's his fault. It's the tar's fault. Not only did I throw a moondew nectar, but it turned into powder and I missed my chance at the hunter. These are... No, ringtail. Wait, what is this guy? He's a ringtail, right? Okay, whatever. Moving on. He hopefully will show up on the map at this point, since I found him, though. Where's the Flutter? So that... I wonder if I have a transporter with me. Yeah, I want to put it by the, if I do, I want to put the warp thing, whatever it's called, transporter by the Flutter so I can get back and forth quicker, because that's going to take a while. And now I know that the hunter slime's over here as well. Or ringtail. I keep saying hunter. They kind of look alike. Okay. That's not... What is this? Oh, that's just a nest. Let's see. See, yeah, they're pretty close to each other. I'm right next to the ringtail, so I need to go left to get back. So that way. Okay. No! I almost found out the hard way what's down there. Thank God for the jetpack. That looks like the edge of nothing. Why does it want me to... I'm not going that way. Okay, so... Maybe this way? Is this right? Oh, there's the ringtail. Okay, so it was over there. And it's daytime, so I'm not going to find any more moondew nectar. I don't know why that sounds weird. Okay, I'm kind of face the right direction, so let's go across. I want to get home safely with what I have. Straight and to the right. That's a wall. Yeah, that doesn't work. Okay, let's see. Probably up here. Except it says to go right, and this is taking me left. Maybe up here? Maybe, maybe, maybe? How close are we? Not far. At least I think I'm going the right way. The honey slimes are so cute. There it is. Okay, so I lost one. I lost one moondew nectar, but I'll at least feed this one and then head home. So, that's pretty productive. Ooh, that was a weird noise. What? Let's go. Get up there. Oh no, it's not gonna get up there. Don't fall, don't die, don't die, don't die. Okay. Baby steps, I guess. Ooh. Or not. How on earth? I did this before. How did I do it? I gotta get way up there. I think I have to go around and then jump across. Whoa. Whoa! Okay. Did not mean to do all that. Okay. How close am I? It's up there, right? Don't think I can get it from here. If I can get over there... Let's do this tree to tree. Yeah. And then over there. And then over there. Recharging. There we go. Okay. Alright, you. You're gonna be... Are you kidding me? Really? You got a big old mouth and I missed. Come back here. The heck did I miss? Come on. Why am I stuck? Look. I can't miss your big old mouth. Eh. What the heck? That was Moondew, right? That was... What... Did I try... Alright, where'd it go? That had to be Moondew nectar. And don't tell me I just lost it. Where did it go? Okay. This is weird. I'm confused. I'm gonna land on top of him. Can I do that? I'm so confused. I shot it into his mouth twice and it bounced off. That had to be nectar I had. Wow. Well, I don't know where it is. It's gone. So I guess I am heading home. Where is home? Okay, I'm going to go up here. And I'm going to put one of those transporter things. Although this is a pain in the butt to get to. But if that's a new world over there, this is really cool. Green, yellow, got orange, blue, purple. This is very cool. Very pretty. Alright. So, I'm hearing the bees. It's wild honey, right? Yeah. Gosh. I'm like, should I wait for the, should I wait for... Hello. Should I wait for the ringtail to wake back up so I can explode him? Because I got a long walk home, or I can wait. But it's only 14:13 on the thing. It's gonna take a little while. I could go there and back quickly if it would let me put the gadget down. Maybe I have to be down here on like solid ground or something. I don't know. Ah. Perhaps that was it. Dash pad? No. Red home portal. That's what I want to do. Yes. Boom. Activated. And then I'm going home. So that's all it was. How exciting. Look, I'm home. Wait, what was that? Oh, no, I don't want to be in gadget mode anymore. Okay, sorry, I didn't know I had to take that back. Okay. Now, I have all kinds of resources. Do I want to just sell the gold, or should I put that in the refinery? I have wild honey. That goes in the refinery. And I definitely want to go put my... Flutter slimes. These guys are hungry, so let me feed them while I'm trying to decide what to do here. Alright, there we go. Now, to the refinery. Do I want to put, that is the question, do I want to put the gold in the refinery, or do I want to put it in the silo and hold on to it? So I guess to answer that, I will come over here and see if it's something that I need. Wait. Upgrade dash boots. Oh, with flutter plorts, and I have flutter slimes now, so I can do that. Oh, they're different state. I was gonna say I already did all this, but okay, so I guess you can upgrade them more than once. That's upgraded. I'm not gonna be able to do that without the puddle plorts. Wild honey, I can definitely, yeah. So jellystone. Yeah, there's a lot more I can do. Just green home portal, I can do that. I can do the warp depot. I'm not really quite sure how that one works. And I kind of want to put a refinery link out there. I still need a jellystone for that. Because if I can put it in there without falling off a cliff and losing everything. Silky sand. And this one, flutter plorts. Okay, so. Alright, so let me go put the... Jenny says I gotta mix them with something. I gotta figure out what do I want to mix them with. Because I do have anglers. The anglers want... What do the anglers want? They want meat. And the flutters want... nectar. And the ringtails want anything. So, should I mix the ringtail with the flutters? 'Tis the question. Mix the ringtails with the flutters. Does that sound like a plan? Because otherwise, they're going to get real hungry. Just like what Jenny was saying, and you can only feed them nectar, so the problem with that is, as we found out, it's very hard to find the nectar. So, should I do it? Because the anglers are here. And hungry. Should I mix them? It could be kind of cool looking. Alright, here goes nothing. They all change? They're kind of cool looking. And still got one that hasn't changed yet, huh? But he will. Give him time, he will. They're kind of cool looking. Alright, so anyway, let's... the sea hens. So let's see. We got the anglers, just says meat. What is their favorite, though? Anglers like the sea hens. Okay, well, I've only got a couple. I want them to multiply a little bit first, so let's get rid of some of the other ones. briars. There we go. Pick that up. Is that the only one that I dropped? Oh, pogo fruit. I don't know if that's the only one I dropped. Yes, no, let's see. I don't see any. So, I guess that's the only one I dropped. Alright, let's double check this before we head back in. What the heck was that? Alright. It's probably a... What are they called? The little chickens? Can't think of their names right now. Chickadoos. Because something went tearing past me. Here, have a pogo fruit. Pomegranate. You know what? So let's pick up as many of these as I can and go give them to the baddies. That's it. Okay, so let me do that. Pick the rest of these up so they don't get wasted. Oh, there's another one. Alright. Oh, there's another one. Now we got our 40. So let's head back in and give those to the baddies. Since they love the pomegranate. Chickens everywhere. Okay. Hey guys. Pomegranates. You're welcome. Put them over here. So I usually fill this with lettuce or whatever, but these are the favorite. This will make them happy. There you go. Eat up! Lettuce. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Okay. Lettuce for you. Lettuce for you. Put them in the feeder. Still gotta ask Jenny about that golden plort. Refinery or sell it? I don't need money. God knows. I have 224,577, so I'm okay. Definitely on money. So I think I want to put it in the refinery, but I didn't see anything that asked for gold plorts. So since they're kind of rare and valuable, I want to ask her what to do with it before I do anything with it. So she's the expert. Alright. Pomegranates. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go feed our other ones. Are you guys hungry? You trying to get out? No, you're all looking at the lettuce, so I'm guessing you're hungry. Pay attention, I'm throwing food at you. There you go. So yeah, Jen, I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm curious about the gold plort. Should I just sell it? If you can hear me, put it in chat or come see me. If not, no worries. You guys have a mess in your corral. Let's get this cleaned up, shall we? Whoa! We live in a pigsty! Well, you're pink. Here. We'll get this all emptied out. trying to escape. I fed you. You're as bad as my cats. It's never enough. It's never enough. Lettuce. Lettuce. Okay. Let's load up your auto feeder. Let's go sell these. You guys poop a lot. That's what it is. $412 if I get rid of that. No, it's down. It's like the stock market. The gold plort is down to $412. If I put it in the refinery, I can't get it back out. But if I put it in the silo, I can. So, like I said, I want to get Jenny's opinion on that. We'll see. Uh-oh, I saw powder. Did something with my lettuce go bad? Okay. Alright. Well, at least you're happy. I like you guys to be happy. You're not breaking out and tearing up my lettuce. And you make cute noises. Alright. I don't see any lag in the recording, so hopefully this is going well. And I'm not going to stream very long. Thought it was really cool when I found the Flutter Gordo, and I was like, you know what? I gotta stream right now and show you what I found. And then a couple of cool things happened. So that was the goal, is just to try to catch those moments that don't happen very often. So it's not just feeding and cleaning these guys up and all that, but you know, the exciting stuff too. So, all right. Who's... Oh. Ogden Ortiz wants to speak. Hola, B. I bought you something that might be nice to have out there. But if you already have one, I can't return it, so the more the merrier, right? Portable scare slime. Well, you know, that's what you need. Thanks, dude. And, of course, Bob. Special delivery. Have a great chickens. Rainbow lumps. Well... there you have it, folks. Life is good. I have rainbow lumps. I have no idea what that is, so there you go. Look at you guys. You're so cute. Yep, so I am probably not going to go back out right now, so what I'll do is cut this short so that, you know, I'm logging in and I'm just bringing the fun stuff, so... I'm just gonna continue what I'm doing here, but for now, I think I will bail out on ya, and we'll see you in the next one.